Alright guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. A little late afternoon walk inside our barangay. We're gonna just walk around a little bit and see what's going on. There's not much else you can do.
Nothing really.
I've been working all day today, so let's walk down here and check this out. It's amazing how empty the streets are, isn't it?
Everything. It's just like, well, besides Sundays are usually slow anyways, but today it's particularly, looks like everything is dead.
Dead. Yeah.
Even the chickens are bored.
Even the chickens are bored.
Hi.
They use those and have their little cockfights, right? They do down there.
They entertain themselves with cockfights.
Yeah. Hello.
Everyone.
So people are sitting downstairs inside their homes, downstairs, following the social distancing about 1 inch away from each other.
There's no distancing between those girls and what they want.
Yeah. There's a lot of people out down the street down here.
People are
It
outside
seems
their homes.
like a lot of people.
I kind of like it over here. There's lots of trees. And
Yeah, there's a lot of trees, a lot of shade, a lot of, and this was this street here, going down this way, was there's one more street that hasn't gotten concrete yet, and this street now finally got done. So the barangay captain, the barangay has done a great job getting this done. Look, what do we got here? Puppy. Yes, we hear you. A lot of kittens, a lot of stray dogs. Yeah, let's walk down this way, and then we can come back the other street, Walling Street. People are outside.
looks that way.
Yeah. Hello. How you guys doing? Where's your masks? You have masks? No? Huh? Yeah, you should wear a mask. All right, bye-bye.
Inside their homes, they're not wearing masks.
Yeah, well, that's okay. It is not our duty to police anybody.
No.
We are just going to walk. This house on the corner here was a scrapyard a year and a half ago.
Wow.
And they were doing motorcycle repairs and all kinds of stuff back here. Now they built a big house, and at the back of the house they have built tons of apartments, small apartments, like an island, right? And then they have 2-3 apartments on each side of the aisle.
It's a monster.
Yeah.
Subaru WRX XTI.
Nice looking car. And then back
This
here.
is a bakery, right?
Yeah, this is. Hello. How are you? Good. Yeah, and back here, inside here now, they're building some more apartments. You see that, right?
Yeah.
On the back of the house. So it's really cool how they do it. And this is how this is where I get the propane. We, we ran out of propane last night while I was cooking, and their main entrance is actually behind the fencing up here, and I stuck my head in here, on the side.
Yeah.
I said, can you?
Right here, right?
Yeah. Can you save me? Can you get me a? So he drove around and came and delivered.
There they are.
Yeah. You see the truck, right?
And this is another neighborhood,
Yeah. This is a different. Hello. Thank you for your delivery. He's, so this is a different barangay.
Yeah, I see that.
All right.
Oh, they got game going on over here.
Yeah. What are you guys going? What you guys doing?
No, they're flying a kite over there. See that?
Yes, kite.
Oh yeah, now I see it. Kite.
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 Yeah. Be careful you don't hit the electric line. Yeah. There, you see, way up there is another one.
I know.
Hey guys.
He's got the big ones. Yeah.
Not much. How are you guys? Are you guys? Is it all good? You getting bored? Yeah, kite. Yeah, that's good. Enjoy your day.
You can tell they've been flying kites. They're getting stuck
Yeah.
all over the place.
They've been flying some kites, right? They're actually. I don't think I can get that with this camera, but they're actually.
One up there.
Yeah, it's stuck on the electric line.
There's one huge up there.
Yeah.
Up there.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
Oh, look
The
at
electric line is.
everybody's out here.
Okay.
Hey,
Hi.
Good afternoon.
good afternoon.
Okay.
So anyway, this is Walling Street, and at the end of this street is one of the places we delivered rice on.
Okay.
It's an area that is not so up to par as this is. Here is beautiful, nice homes for the most part,
For the most part.
and I guess what do they got here? This way. Okay, so that indicates that it's shut down. Shut down there.
There's a dentist over here, dental clinic.
Dental clinic. A lady dentist. Yeah. Yeah. That's one thing I need to do when this is over. I need to go back and see my dentist. See? These are pretty nice gates, and they have all the trikes and everything parked inside. They can't earn any money now. Here's another trike parked in that garage.
Everybody's out.
Counselor.
That's a nice evening tonight.
Yeah, it's really nice. Cooled off a little bit.
Yeah.
It's been like 37 degrees today, guys. 37 degrees is what? 99, I think, Fahrenheit.
Almost 100 degrees. My God.
100 degrees Fahrenheit. And humidity is probably what?
Well, I would say
60, 70?
70%.
70% humidity. Hello. How are you? Yeah. Hello. How are you? Everybody doing fine?
Good, good.
Not totally? Out of work, huh? Yeah. It's bad. They got to open up soon, though. 2 more weeks. 2 more weeks, you can go back to work. No, yeah, that's true too. That's a tragedy. No more red horse. So here they had construction going on, and I guess they stopped. There's
Those are first suicidal clients here.
Yeah,
They're depressed because there's no beer.
depressed because there's no beer.
Hello, good evening. Are you building?
No, it's not mine. I'm the caretaker here.
Oh, okay, you're the caretaker? It looks like a big house. Yeah, it looks like a really big house. All right, the virus. Yeah. I think maybe 2 weeks. Some people come back and work again. Yeah, 2 weeks maybe. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So some families in here, like I said before, are pretty well off. Um, they're doing good. Looking at their homes, nice big homes, and a lot of them drive brand new cars. And you see them trade cars once every 2 years or every year, some of them. So it's pretty interesting. Yeah. You know how they are friendly. Everybody wants to talk.
Yeah, everybody's bored out of their heads,
Yeah.
probably.
Oh yeah. Let's see now. Where's that? I think we already missed that.
Which?
No, maybe not. There's a gate down here over to the other barangay, and I'm wondering if it's
It's open? I don't think so.
I don't
It's
think
all
so.
closed, whatever.
Dancing on the streets, huh? That's good.
Exercise.
Yeah.
Where you going, man?
We're just walking.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So
No
You-
beer, no chocolate. Oh my God.
yeah, you see here. Here's another house. Look at this. It's also a pretty big house once it's been done.
3 units.
It looks like 3 apartment units. Yeah. Should we go down that way, or should we just head up this way? We head up. Oh shit! I have to edit that one out.
Yep.
I used foul language. Or I just do a beep.
Beep.
Hello.
Right.
Yeah, if you continue down where we turn here, just maybe 5-6 more blocks down there.
Mhm.
That's where we have been providing rice and other things. Oh, okay. Dogs. There's a lot of dogs here.
Too many.
Too many dogs. But, you know, this is like typical Filipino here, how they build their apartments.
Yep.
With one big gate, and then they have like five apartments downstairs, 5 upstairs. I don't know if I would ever want to live like that, though. I like the privacy of having my own gate.
Yeah, your own apartment. Your own house.
Yeah.
Your own.
Yep, that's for sure. Oh, we had a neighbor lady that passed away yesterday.
What neighbor?
You probably never met her. How are you doing? You're doing good? There's a lot of foreigners in here that I have never met before. But now they're coming out, you know.
Yeah.
And
Look at the woodwork.
they're coming out of the woodwork.
Is this the main street here
Yeah,
already?
yep.
Okay.
I think this is the main street. Yep, it is. You know, here's the place where we go for
Yeah,
the
the market.
market. The market. So are you gonna stop and get something? Or?
I was thinking about maybe getting a couple of apples.
Apples? Yeah, they normally have. Yeah, they have nice apples here. Those are the small ones, but they're good. That's the ones I bought. I bought 1 kilo of it, and they're not big, but they're really good, and they taste good. I still have some at home though. So Umberto's getting some apples.
Yes, what can I do for you?
Hey, you want some apples? You want some apples? How much are they per kilo? You sell per
Kilo, it's only per pieces.
Oh, okay. How much are they? 10 peso?
Yeah, 10 pesos.
10 peso each.
30 pesos. Have you vlog?
Yeah,
Vlog?
yeah. We're vlogging.
No change. Thank you so much.
All right.
Come again, sir.
Thank you. We'll be back.
Yeah.
You're running out of stock. It's time to go to the market, right?
Yes. Of course.
Run
It's
to
always new.
run to the market.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's good though. All right. Thank you. Sun is officially setting down, and we have done a little walk. Well, Sunday, it seems like today is kind of the most I have seen people out since this whole thing started.
Yes, people are starting to get antsy.
Yeah, they are getting a little antsy and want to get out. And somebody said that Monday they're going to ease up some restrictions, but I don't know if it's going to be here or not, but we'll see. All right, guys, that was a little walk in the neighborhood.
A friendly walk.
Umberto.
You guys take care, enjoy, be well,
Right.
stay safe.
Stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you soon again. Bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.